here I have the hood so far. As you can see, I've ended on the very corner of this hood, and this is the bottom edge of the hood. We're gonna go along and crochet across this bottom edge now. So what you'll do is simply insert your hook into the bottom edge here and do single crochets across. Don't worry about it being perfect. It's basically just a neat trim to go across your hood. When I do this, as you can see, it kind of makes a nice little border and keeps your hood looking more refined and neat. So I've single crocheted across this part so far. I'm going to continue on and finish this edge. Alright, and when you're done with this section, what you're going to do is simply fasten off. Actually, I wanted to mention there are two different ways to make the straps for the hood. So one method that I have here is crocheting the hood on directly. As you can see, it's connected onto the head, so you won't be able to take it off. If you want to do this method, you'll just be making a chain and slip stitching to the other side after you make the trim. So I'll show you how to make the trim in a bit for this one, but the trim is basically just single crochet around in the back loops only around the opening of the hood again, this way, and then making a chain across and slip stitching to the other end. Now, instead of that, for this hood, I'd like to make it removable. So this way I can have it put on and taken off. So I'm going to make straps instead of crocheting it on directly. So to do that, I'm going to start off with however long I want the strap to be. I'll give myself some extra length. I can always trim it later. And then you're going to go to the edge here of your bonnet where you started the last round. And you're going to insert your hook into the back loops. What we're going to do is crochet in the back loops only. So with your tail here, I'm just going to also fold in this little yarn end, so it's, I don't need to fasten it, weave it in at the end. So I'm inserting my hook into the back loops only, and finishing with a single crochet. Back loops only, single crochet. As I do this, I'm making my way around the opening of the hood. And you'll also see that my long yarn tail here for the strap of the hood is left intact so that I can use it later for tying. So I'm just going to go across the entire hood right now. Single crochets in back loops only. Alright, this very last one, I just did a slip stitch instead. I'm going to pull my yarn tail long and kind of match it up with the length of the other strap. So I'm also going to snip off this yarn end here. So now, once you've gone across that top edge, you'll have 2 straps fastened off here. And again, you can line them up and trim the ends as you please. I like to keep them long until I actually have my doll finished to put it over the head. Then I can tie it and double check how long I need. Alright, so I hope this was a helpful tutorial. Thanks so much for watching and happy crocheting. Bye now!